Hi, welcome back to my channel and to this new video. This video I will be knitting, of course, like usual. I have picked 3 patterns that I would like to finish for this video. First one is silhouette top from Lick and Knit. Second one is the Sophie scarf, obviously a classic. And the third one is the cloud top from Petite Knit. So I'm gonna get started on it. I have begun the silhouette top already, so we'll start with that and I'll keep you posted. About the silhouette top. I had started on this previously and I used a different yarn than the pattern, and the pattern holds the yarn double, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that, but I still picked my regular size. So obviously the knit became way too small. I don't know why I thought of this so late, but I pretty much finished the back part, well, until you join in the round, and the frontal flappies, and it's just too small. So I did not have the heart to unravel it yet, but I did start over because I think it's better to start again while it's not done yet, and I haven't spent that much time on it yet. So I restarted and I just went 2 sizes bigger, and I think it looks much better already. I'm about at the same point right now. I've joined in the round, frontal flaps done, back is done, and when I put it on, let's do that. Okay, so it's supposed to fit pretty snug, but should close easily. So this is where the buttons will go. So it just feels like it would be fine. So at this point, I need to just keep knitting in the round, add a buttonhole every 8th row. And there will be some decreasing, increasing for shaping. So let's keep knitting. So the silhouette top is finished. I don't think I've showed that much of the process of making it, but it is done. The sleeves are German short rows. This part of the pattern I thought was a little bit complicated. I managed to do it, but I did have to sew up some holes at the start. But I think it looks acceptable. I read about this pattern that the neckline can be a little tight. So on each of the flaps, I have cast on 2 extra stitches and it's not tight, so I think that worked. I have also cast on 2 extra stitches under the armhole just for some extra room, and I think the fit is good. There's also some shaping in the pattern, which is nice. I really like that, and I think it worked out. So I would recommend this pattern. I think it's a really cute top. You can like do cute combinations of the yarn and the buttons. I picked these shiny turquoise buttons and I think they are so cute. It was a lot of work to sew them on, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, this is it. On to the last pattern, which is the Cloud Top by Petite Knit. I have already gotten started on it, and this is how far I am. I have the first back piece, the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and connected in the front. Now I just need to work back and forward until I can connect in the round. This pattern also has German short rows, but I feel like the silhouette top really refreshed my mind and it just went super easy, and I think it's written really well. So yeah, it knits up quite fast, so I don't think it's gonna take me too much time, but I'll keep you updated. A little update on the Cloud Top. I finished it. I have not filmed a lot about me finishing it. It's all done. The thing is, what happened, I was done with it, like finished, not fed up. I finished it, and I was working on weaving in all the ends, and I had this injury on my nail which made it a bit hard to hold scissors. So with my wonky hand, I tried to cut the tail of a woven in end, and I accidentally cut a hole in the middle of my top. So I tried to mend it, I tried to fix it, I tried to put it back together, but it just kept getting bigger, and I was like, I don't have the skills to fix this. So I unraveled to like 3 balls worth of yarn back. So I was just going through it, to be honest, but I knitted it back up pretty quickly. So yeah, it's a really basic top. It does have some nice details on the shoulder, like 2 purl rows. It has a rolling edge also in the neckline. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's very basic, very, like, it wouldn't make you look twice, but it's good to have some basic tops, I think. And the pattern was good, easy to follow, so definitely recommend. Just don't cut a hole in it. Recap, I made the silhouette top, beautiful, love it. I made the Sophie scarf, very simple, was very fast, I really enjoyed doing it. And I made the Cloud Top, which with some troubles of my own fault, besides that, was also really nice. So yeah, really recommend picking up one of these patterns. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!